Tools used in removal and replacement. Ensure that you have the tools you need before you begin. These should include small, Phillips head, P0 and P1, screwdrivers. Small, flat blade screwdriver or a flat blade alignment tool. Case separator tool. Tweezers. Electrostatic discharge, ESD, wrist or shoe strap. Smooth jaw, bent tip needle nose pliers, optional. Small, smooth tip needle nose pliers, optional. Flashlight, optional. Note, if worn or damaged screwdriver tips are used, the small screw heads could become stripped.
Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and thermal module. Removal. Disconnect the two DC-in cables from the connectors on the motherboard. Remove the two 5.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the DC-in bracket to the top cover. Lift the DC-in bracket off of the DC-in module and remove. Carefully release the DC-in module from the retention tabs on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the DC-in module.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.